and welcome back. Today I want to show you how I made this delicious piping hot champurrado. It is cold here now, so this was perfect. I made this and I also made some pumpkin filled conchas, which you will find a link to that recipe down below. Let's get started with how I made this. In this pot, I added half a cup of water, 1 cinnamon stick, a little bit more than half a piloncio, and half of a chocolate bar. You will find the full recipe for this down in the description box. Now here, I'm only going to make a little bit for a few people, but the full recipe will be down below. And I'm going to cook the piloncio and the chocolate bar down. And once that has all dissolved, I'll be taking out the cinnamon stick. And then I'm going to be adding some milk. I'm going to be using whole milk for this. And I am going to add a little bit less than half a gallon. I'm going to whisk this well. And I'm going to let it cook on medium while I get the maseca ready for this. So here I have 1/4 cup of maseca, 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, and 1/4 cup of regular milk. I'm going to whisk this, making sure that there is no lumps. It has to be nice and smooth. And then I'm going to add it slowly to my pot, which it didn't show, but I added it slowly. And you're going to want to keep whisking this, okay? Because you do not want to burn it. You're going to want to just cook it until your desired consistency. I don't like it too thick, so I left it at that. But you want to keep cooking it if you like it thicker. And here I am having my champurrado. It is so delicious. And of course, I can't have it without my pumpkin-filled concha. Well, I hope you like this recipe. I hope you find it easy to make. And once again, subscribe, like, and share. We will see you in my next video. Bye.